Hi students, today we're going to learn how to write a recipe. Our recipe is going to be about classic chocolate chip cookies. So, first we will write what we are making. Today we will make chocolate chip cookies with an easy recipe for beginners. Let's prepare the ingredients. For the ingredients, we need 150 grams salted butter, 70-gram palm sugar, 15-gram sugar, 2 tablespoons of vanilla, and eggs, and 225 grams all-purpose flour, and baking powder, chocolate chips, salt, and 2 sheets of baking paper. Now you have to write what to do. After that, once evenly mixed, add the vanilla, eggs, baking powder, stir then flour. Enter the chocolate chip, mix well, don't take too long, it will be hard. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees, then arrange everything on baking paper. Now you have to bake it for 15 to 20 minutes for crispy results. If you want it more tender, about 12 to 15 minutes. For your closing words, you need to write something like serve while warm with tea, milk, or coffee. You can also add a link for the recipe from YouTube. Thank you for watching. Good luck.